guys. Okay, we're at the charts. I can breathe now. So, I was out because I had like a little job which I do at night sometimes, and it's babysitting, guys. But today I did it a little bit later, and yeah, and they just got home now, and it's like New York open time. So, high time frame narrative, we rebounced into a 50-minute Fair Valley gap. We got bearish order flow, previous day highs, previous day lows already taken. We've got a massive Fair Valley gap here that's about to be filled, which has been filled on ES. SMT delivering currently, so we're just waiting for us to get to those discount PD arrays, which will be this lower Fair Valley gap down here, which will be like more of a key interest area, and all of this LRLR down here. But genuinely rushed home so fast. But yeah, I'm just gonna mark out this Fair Valley gap down here. Again, today's well, I don't know if I told you guys, because I'm also vlogging today, so stay tuned for that. But today's an impermissible day according to my mentor, so yeah, I won't be taking a trade on my eval. However, I will be paper trading and collecting data, which I always do on impermissible days, because there are only so many days in the week. There's like 5 days in a week where you can collect data, which is not enough to practice live, you know. So yeah, anyway, all these little internal drawers here, I'm just gonna mark them out, because I'm bearish now that we've delivered off of that Fair Valley gap, but we could come back up and fail it. Like, this Fair Valley gap might be the objective that we needed to reach for us to go higher, but I don't want to get too biased in, because we are at all-time highs. It's clear that we are bearish. Rebalance into this bearish Fair Valley gap, bearish SMT delivered, objectives lower, no objectives really higher. We're good. Do you know what I mean? Like, obviously we got objectives higher, but you guys know what I mean. Hopefully. Okay. Get closer. So we got that Fair Valley gap filled to the tick. Want to see this fail, which we kind of already are, but I want to see a little bit of a pullback at this point, and then for us to fail this, and then we could come down here, take the low of this displacement candle, take this low down here. We got a few stack lows below. We got these pretty much relatively equal lows down here. Oh, bullish SMT. Delivered. My neck hurts. You guys will know if you watched the videos from this morning. My neck has been hurting. I feel like a sweet treat. Guys, I made focaccia bread today. It took me 6 hours maybe. Probably 4 or 5 hours to do. I'm also doing my sourdough starter, which is going to take me a week. But I'm getting on my baking grind. I'm really enjoying it. I'm trying to find hobbies. Where are we at in this move here? Because obviously we're in a retracement. You know, we've rebalanced back into this range here. Where are we actually at? Are we in OTE? No, we've passed OTE here. We passed it. How about when we go this range here? We're in OTE referring to this big range here. Hard to decipher though, I will say. But what I'm thinking right now is this could be like some type of invite, stop them out, and then continue higher potentially. But then that would also fail that Fair Valley gap fill to the tick. What do we have on the 5 minutes? On the 5 minute, we have these order blocks down here. I think this order block here, which is actually where the Fair Valley gap is pretty much, which could deliver us higher. for the 15-minute. I'm excited to sleep, guys. I'm gonna try to sleep a little bit early tonight. I kind of have a headache as well, which is not good. Yeah, we're kind of just chopping right now. Nothing looks good. Let's see what the Discord's saying. Sorry guys, one of the mentors in my Discord apparently hit TP at 9:37. Zero setup there. Maybe I don't know. Okay, we had an invite, a stop out, now we're delivering higher. I want to see more confirmation though, because that isn't giving me enough. We have LRLR, generated pre-market here, which we could come and take. And this massive displacement move. I'm not really sure what this displacement actually was off of. This is a protected low. Okay, it was broken. Probably could have shorted like here. Volatility is kind of high right now. To these draws down here. That's probably something you could have taken. What's going on now though? Like, what do we have? Okay, I was gonna say, we're obviously gonna take this draw because it would make no sense for us to go and not take that draw. Are we gonna respect this or not? I think that's that 15-minute one that I was like, oh, this could be a key level that price might want to rebalance to, because it's the discount PDRA high time frame on the 15-minute. So let's see how price responds to this level, if it respects it or not. Let's see. I'm gonna draw out this SMT. Kind of reluctant to take any shorts here because look at this LRLR pre-market. I just think that it kind of makes sense to take this. Maybe I'm being too biased though, so I'm open to that. But yeah, we don't have any manipulation for the sellers because people are probably all in sales right now, being like, yeah, this is a perfect downturn. Like, yeah. Okay, we took the draw flip bullish. You can see this is the draw here. I might actually make this thicker and maybe a bit more bright because I'm struggling. We had a big bullish reaction off that. We did edge this draw down here, which I don't like, but that's not a draw that it makes sense for us to really trade off of. Although we do kind of have 3 touch points along this key area here, so we could expect this to fail to go back and take these lows down here. Or we could have like a reversal sequence. A reversal sequence would be ideal. But let's see. Gosh, it's cold. Like my fingertips are cold and I'm inside my house, guys. So cold right now. Well, it looks like we're just gonna resoup that level. Yeah. And prep to take shorts because we are just clearly going down. But I could be wrong. I'm just gonna stay patient, wait, see if we have anything. Hello. Oh. Because now we have this little mini internal SMT that we're delivering off of. We're damn near about to fail that fair value gap. Reversal sequence has failed because we already resouped. We have it on ES, but it doesn't really make sense because we have resouped on NQ. It does look like we're delivering higher, but maybe we're going to put in some manipulation at the high, which would be ideal. I want to see us manipulate one of these levels, like this level right here. Right now we're just kind of edging it, so I'm not too eager to jump in on shorts. I want to see this high up here manipulated, and then for us to put in SMT and have like a complete flip. And that would make me have conviction in shorts. There we go. Can see prices kicked in with a little bit of volatility, which is good. That's what we want to see. Now it looks like we're kind of failing it. And like, I'm open for it to fail. It can fail. I don't need it. It's not guaranteed to deliver. It'd be nice. It's not guaranteed though, so I'm not like holding on to that. Okay, we're kind of getting close to that. The hard thing is we don't have like clear displacement here. Like, that's the only thing that I could classify as displacement. It's hard to say with that price action. Alright, we're flipping on NQ. Oh, looks like I want to fail that bearish SMT. We're trying to fail it, but we're not. We just look hella volatile right now. Okay, I don't love that anymore. Because then it's like price isn't really respecting anything. Put in this, like, I guess it looks like the bullish SMT is delivering here, to be fair. Could long. Tricky thing is I don't love longs. I want to see price rebalance and actually respect and go higher, because we could want to take the liquidity pre-market. Okay, put in that bottom wick. Okay, entering there. Hypothetically, I want to say that I've lowered my size on this, like significantly, but I want to see us take at least this, oh, on ES it's this level here. Well, we have plenty of room to go on NQ, just targeting a 1-to-1. But I want to see price like rip through this once it enters into us. I don't really love that it's hesitating. This is that high that's there. Obviously this is just a forward test because it's low probability conditions. So once it takes this high here, we've taken all of the LRLR on NQ, but we do have this LRLR here on ES, so I want to see us enter into there. Just can't even think of like an educated spot to put my stop loss, like 50% of the ding. Kind of moving this around a bit, so take that as you would like. I just want to see it get at least to this high here, and I expect it to rip through. That's the thing, I do expect it to rip through. Ideally though, I'd like my stop loss down here below the displacement candle. I'm interested to see, like, if we do reverse, that's kind of something that I've been learning my back testing, is when you don't have a protected stop loss, take it out at the key draws and the key levels. Like, I guess you could say that's a key level right there. It's hate that we haven't entered anything on NQ. If I was trading live, I would have just taken it out as soon as we taken this high. Just want to see us go into this LRLR on NQ. But if we don't want to, that's okay. We have this level here which should be supporting price as well. Really, I probably should have entered like down here. Here would have been like a lovely entry. Just down here. I wanted to enter off with the rebalance respect, but it did close quite far. Something like this would be really nice. It's like it doesn't want to enter into the LRLR yet. It's like it doesn't want to take it. Which is like fine, like if that's what you want to do. Okay, let's see if it rips through. Tip my target. It's entered into the LRLR range. Like this is the range where the LRLR is. We're about to push into that range, so what I'm expecting is just rapid price movement through it, because if I had more data to support that thesis, I could do something like this. Because that's for all the LRLR and these like relatively equal highs here. I could go even further for this high here, but I feel like this is like, these two are pretty close together. But TB, so that's good. I'm happy with that. Oh, okay. Discord's call has started already. I'm pretty happy with that trade. I cannot lie. Let's do a quick journal. So we should have entered earlier, but because of conditions, I wanted to enter on the rebalance. Respect. We have stacked. Oh my gosh, I'm itchy. I'm wearing a tight top underneath my jumper, like a workout top. It's itchy. I need to put my hoodie on because I'm so cold. Okay, we've got stacked S&T in a high time frame fair value gap. With opposing S&T fail. With displacement. Entry long based on the high time frame objectives hit. And the LRLR generated pre-market. High time frame narrative is bearish S&T in 15-minute value gap, but the S&T is off of a non-significant draw. We also have displacement through draws higher. I wanted to see what market open did, and we delivered off of the bearish S&T, but we were stopped. We were stopped at the discount PD array, which was that 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, that's amazing journaling as well. I'm actually really happy. I'm really happy with today. Let's put all of this into my journal and get the hell to sleep, because that's literally me done. I don't think there's anything else. I guess like continuation sequence maybe, but I hate that we didn't take this LRLR. Okay. So we got the forward testing. I'm so happy we're getting closer and closer to my goal, which is an 80% win rate on forward testing. What's the next one going to be? If I get the next one, will it be, yes, 72. What's good is I can forward test with back testing and paper trading, which is fun. But it's like with back testing, it's really those trades where I'm not super confident on them. So we got one here's our low time frame chart. Confidence was like 7. Mainly because of conditions. I was a little bit iffy because of conditions. They weren't like crazy good. Where did my journaling go? Because that journaling was so good. So I better be there somewhere. Okay, I'm not even laughing. Where is it? Don't play with me. Don't play with me right now. It's gone. Oh my days. I'm looking at the wrong freaking thing. Looks pretty familiar though. Oh my god, I literally just uploaded the wrong thing. That's how you know I need to get myself to bed. I've been on these charts like all day. But like I'm not complaining about it, but it has been like all day. Like my eyes are gonna go rectangular at this point. But I did get to do some hobby stuff, which was kind of fun, and I did get to do a little bit more research and experimentation with my content. Oh my gosh, I keep going to the same thing with my content. So yeah, that's also fun. Just gonna get rid of all of this because I basically did all of that with my journaling. So my thought process. Don't know how to spell thought. My brain hurts. My neck hurts. Actually, this is what it is. Cause my guys, I have a standing up desk, sit down, stand up desk. Even though I don't actually use it to, I don't actually stand up with it usually, cause I don't have a walking pad. Like my goal was to get like a walking pad, but like I'm broke, so walking pad will come after my payout. Where's that wire? Okay. Oh my god, guys, look. I'm sitting up straight. This is how I used to have it, and then when my hands were like aching, because I was like, my hands were like this on my desk, and then I looked at my hands like, anyway, it's a long story. But I think this would be better for my neck, because my neck is so sore. Sorry guys, I probably look like a crazy person, but I need it. I promise you guys I need it. No news Monday. Not sure. We had, ooh, what would you even classify the sequence? I actually can't believe I was looking at the wrong chart. Like, that is so embarrassing. We had soup sequence fail. We didn't even have soup sequence fail. We just like chopped. Alright. How do we discretionary? New York AM confluences. SMT fail. Fair Valley Gap. Oh gosh. Choppy. Against narrative. Cool, love this. Alright, amazing, so cool, love it. That's my trade for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe I'll do a trade recap for my main channel tomorrow, but right now I need to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Bye.